Hi, good evening. Welcome to Interested Medical Devices. Today we are going to check the unpacking, installation and purity check of Interested Oxymax 10 LPM machine. So, like see, this is the carton box. Once you receive the carton box, you see there is a user manual. There will be two cannulas, and since it's a dual flow model, we'll have two humidifier bottles, and also there's a nebulizer kit. So remove the top accessories box and keep it separately. It's a heavy duty medical grade oxygen concentrator dual flow. So the weight is 30 kgs, 29.5 kgs to be precise. So always use a proper help and then you remove the box. Remove the machine carefully. See how he is lifting. Use the side handle. See, there will be a handle here. Okay, first remove all the side thermocol boxes and then you remove the machine. It has to be slowly lifted and pushed outside. Okay. So before we connect the machine, I'll first explain you all the ports of the machine. So this is the Oxymax model. As you can see, there are two flows. In one side you will be able to see from 0 to 10. So here you can use it as a single 10 LPM flow, and whenever there are two patients, just by a press of a button you will be able to use two flow meters. This will be capped at 5. So when you are keeping this at 5, automatically this one also you have to keep at 5. So the maximum flow from the machine will be 10 liters per minute. So this is the front end. As I told you, there are two flow meters, two places to attach the humidifier bottles. The middle one, this is the nebulizer port, and coming on to the top of the device. Here you can see the on off button, a fuse reset button, a display, and it says here oxygen to switch on the oxygenation exchange. This basically means whether you want to switch over from single flow to dual flow. Here is the timer option. Okay. Now going to the rear side, and before you go on to the rear side, there are wheel locks. There are totally 4 wheels. The front 2 wheels will come with wheel locks, so make sure to remove the wheel locks and unlock it. Wheel locks unlock. Yeah. Similarly, the other on the right hand side. Yeah. Now the machine will be free to move. Oh, you have locked it, huh? Okay, now he has locked it. Okay, let me go to the rear end. So on the rear end, if you see, this is the big filter chamber. You need to press both the ends. Press one. Yeah. That's it. So this is the primary filter. This is the filter where you will take it every week and you are going to dust it and put it back inside. And this is the secondary filter. There are 2 HEPA filters there inside. I will tell you how to remove it. You just need to take them outside. Okay, similarly take the other one also outside. So before we start using the machine, you can see what it is written here. Remove this part of the seal for use on 5 to 10 liters. So you need to peel this here, then only the air will start entering into this junction. You need to peel the sticker and then you are going to attach it straight inside it. Okay, for demonstration purpose we are just putting it back inside, but remember to peel this and then you are going to start using the machine. The same way you removed it. And finally the primary filter, attach it. Just like attaching the grills of your AC machine, you can do that. That's it. So the filter part is over and the wire will be already fixed. Now you'll attach it to the cable. It's just a standard 5 amps plug only. You can attach it. Okay, he has done it. Okay. Now take the accessories box and take the humidifier bottles outside. Both the humidifier bottles will be identical only. See how he is attaching it. Okay, yeah, that's it. So see, this is the point where you need to attach it to the machine. This other end you are going to take the cannula outside. So remember to always fill the humidifier bottle between the minimum and the maximum marking, preferably around the middle. After it is done, all you need to do is see, just you are going to attach it. You're going to press it gently. It will go and get fit. That's it. Okay. So now both the humidifier bottles are attached. Now the machine is ready for oxygenation. The final part what you're going to do is you're going to take the cannulas two cannulas are there. You're going to just open the cannula and you're going to attach it to this end. That's it. You're going to attach it to the part and you're going to attach it to the patient. So once all the attachments are done, now let us boot up the machine. So now it's in the off state. We are going to press this one and see the machine will immediately boot up. Okay. Now in order for the oxygenation to start, all we need to do is press the oxygen button. Okay. Yeah. Now you can hear the compressor running already, and I will tell you how to change from the single flow and dual flow modes. So whenever your display is indicating 5, it means that the flow is getting split up. So the maximum flow you can take per bottle will be 5 liters per minute. Okay. So you see dual flow will be activated. This ball is also getting increased. Similarly, once you start rotating, this is also getting increased. Since the upper cap is 5 for this flow rate, automatically it means that this also you can keep only at 5 because the total output will not exceed 10 liters. This is a 10 liter medical grade equipment. So this is how you activate dual channel. Now dual flow. Similarly, say for example, if you want to keep this at 2, you will be able to take 8 liters from this side. So the combined flow rate of both will be 10 liters. Similarly, 1 and 9 or whatever flow rate you are going to keep, minus that flow rate you can keep in the other one. So this is how to activate the dual flow. Now let us go to a single flow. See what I am going to do. I am just going to press this button. Immediately once I press it, the ball here automatically drop to 0. Hereafter I will not be able to increase or decrease it, do anything. If this side is completely cut out, you are not able to get any pressure or oxygen from this side, and immediately the display will change to 10. This means that now single flow is activated. You will be able to use from 1 to 10 any flow rate. Okay, so it's very simple. So when you press it, automatically when it shows 10, single flow will get activated. When you again press on exchange, dual flow will get activated. Okay, do not press the oxygen button. Oxygen button is for like oxygen to on and oxygen to switch off. Always press the exchange button to go from single flow to dual flow. So as I told you, just to summarize, whenever you see 5 liter, it means dual flow. Whenever you see 10 on the display, it is single flow. And this 10 liter flow rate will get activated. Now let us go to the next point. Next is timer. So if you want to activate timer, if you keep on pressing it, see, every increment of 10, it means basically after 20 minutes the machine will get switch off automatically. So if you want to use the auto timer option, you can go for this one. Okay, but we generally don't recommend that one, since whenever the patient wants, they can switch on and switch off directly. Unless and otherwise, if you want to give them oxygen at a prescribed limit, then alone you go for the timer option. Okay, so that is done. Okay, now let us go on to the nebulizer port. See, nebulizer is the middle one. So nebulizer kit also we have seen already. This is the nebulizer kit. So if the doctor has given you the nebulization liquid, if he has prescribed, all you need to do is the nebulizer port, you need to attach it here. See, it's a lock and key. That's it. Okay. That's it. Now the nebulizer has started to come. You just need to attach the nebulizer port and you can start using it. Whenever the nebulization is done, make sure to close it immediately. And don't lose the screw, because you will not be able to use nebulization and oxygen at the same time. When you open the nebulization port, automatically the oxygenation will drop. So always when you use nebulizer, immediately close the port after using it so that the oxygenation will be proper. Okay. Now finally let us check the purity levels. Okay. Show the analyzer. Yeah. So now see, he has taken the oxygen analyzer. The room oxygen is 20.9. Okay. Now let us keep at the maximum value. Now it is in single flow. I kept the ball at 10 liters. Okay. Now attach it. It's even way past 10 actually. Just yeah. Now attach the flow. The moment he attaches, automatically the oxygen purity you see 93 plus or minus 3, but instantly it reaches even 94.4. That is the upper limit. So it is one of the best medical grade equipments available in the market. there won't be any droppage even when you keep it at 10 liters. You see the flow rate? You can keep it at 9, 10, whatever flow rate you keep, the purity will remain consistent. There won't be a single drop in the flow. Okay? Yeah. The maximum purity will be always maintained. Now also we will check in the dual flow system. Okay? Remove it. Make it again 20.9. Okay? Now I am pressing the exchange button. Yeah. Now both the flows are activated. Now let us keep one at automatically when this is at 4, this will automatically come down to 6 in a short time. See, the ball is automatically dropping down. So let us keep both at 5 and check it. Okay. I am increasing this to the maximum value. So 5 liter I have kept it. Okay. Similarly, this one will automatically drop down in a short span. Anyways, we will bring it to the correct position. 5 and 5. Okay. Now let us check at both the things. Okay. Now let us keep it at both the same values, 5 and 5. Now let us check the output of both the things. Show it again, this 21.9 and then you attach it. Okay. Yeah. So the left side has already crossed 93%. Similarly, as usual, we will go to 94.4. You can see the flow rate also in the background. It's at 5 liters. Now remove it, make it again 20.9 and attach it to the right. Make it 20.9. Okay, attach it. It's attaching to the right hand side, right hand. There also you can see the flow at the background. Already it has crossed 93. Same way to reach 94. Done. Remove it. So all the entire functionality have been discussed, and if you have any queries, you can call us anytime at 7397449991 and check out for our other YouTube videos also. Thanks for watching. Log on to www.entrusted.in. All orders placed online will be dispatched on the same day if the orders are placed before 6 o'clock. Thank you so much.